Marcel Duchamp is undoubtedly one of the most important artists of the 20th century. He's the father of conceptualism, of minimalism, of performance art, installation. In fact, the only thing that he didn't anticipate was video art. In 1913, Duchamp conceived of 3 musical pieces, of which musical Erratum is one of the most complete. The title translates as musical misprint, but it's something of a non sequitur, as many of the titles of the ready-mades, which he made in 1915, 2 years later. The piece was originally scored for 3 voices, Duchamp's and those of his 2 sisters, and he performed it at the family home in Rouen, New Year 1913. Each person randomly picked playing cards on which the notes of their vocal range were printed, and each of them sang those notes in the order in which they'd been selected. The words sung to the notes were taken from a dictionary definition of the French word imprimer, or in English, to make a print. So the work is a chance procedure that was conceived the year after the American composer John Cage was born, and 30 years before Cage deployed chance procedure in his own work. I wanted to arrange Duchamp's piece for 3 electric guitars, or rather 1 electric guitar with 2 delayed outputs. In this setup, the guitar sounds the note is heard again 3 seconds later, that's delay 1, and again a further 3 seconds after that, that's delay 2. Now the delays are in effect copies or prints of the original guitar signal, so the subject of Duchamp's piece is honoured. Now the surviving score for musical Erratum is interesting. There's no key signature, no time signature or bar lines, and no indication of the duration that each note should be sung. No indication of the speed, dynamics, loudness or softness at which it should be performed. So the piece is only partially composed. It requires the performer to complete it. What is not specified is therefore open to interpretation. For example, it could be over in a matter of seconds or go on for a very, very long time. It could be brash or very subtle or a combination of both. So there's enormous latitude for invention. The mood of the piece is rather dark and forbidding, but this isn't arbitrary. A year after musical Erratum was conceived, the First World War broke out.